Hello, it's Matt. Welcome to Collaboration Coach. It can be hard to recognize or appreciate your teammates when you're working virtually. And if you're a manager or a teacher using Teams, you want to give your staff and students plenty of encouragement. So if you want to thank someone, or you just want to highlight the fact that someone did some great work, or they've shown some exceptional spirit or character, then there is an app for that. So in this video, we're going to look at how to use the Praise app in Microsoft Teams. So before we get started, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you like these videos and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post. So the first way to send praise in Teams is through the chat app. You'd use this if you wanted to praise someone individually or privately. So if I go to the chat app and start the chat with somebody that I want to send praise to, I just choose the praise icon from the post toolbar down here. Now, if you don't see that, choose the ellipsis instead, and then type praise in the search bar and choose the Praise app. Next, you choose the praise badge that you want to send. Select one and you'll go to the next window where you'll see the badge, the person you're sending it to, and you can add a personal message here as well if you want to. So when you're done, you can preview what the recipient will see and then you hit send. And when you send praise this way, only the recipient will see it in the chat window. So you can also start the Praise app from the command bar. Just go click in it and then type app praise and it should pop up. And you can also go to the ellipsis on the app rail on the left hand side here and type praise in the search bar and then choose the Praise app. Now you might want to send praise to more than one person, and you can do that in a group chat or in a Teams channel. So for example, if I go to a Teams channel here and choose the praise icon from the post toolbar, I can choose the badge I want to share and I'm asked to pick the people that I want to share it with. So I just type in the names in the top right corner here, adding as many as I like, and then I can add a message as well. This time when I send the praise, everyone in the channel will see it. So it's a good way of drawing attention to the work that's been done to the rest of your team. When someone receives praise, they automatically get app mentioned to the post. So it will appear in their activity feed and they'll see a notification. So if you want to track the praise that you've received, you can search the activity feed for the keyword praise, and that will show you all the posts that had praise in them. Also, you could copy the posts from Teams as well. So if you wanted to keep copies of the praise you've received for your monthly or yearly appraisal, you could paste them into your favorite notes app. So that's how you use the Praise app in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.